Hi guys, welcome. This is the machine where I have everything installed. What does that mean? It means that it's an ArcoLinux XL, it's with version 0.5, and at that point in time I just selected anything and everything, not everything. All the software, I've installed all the software in this machine. Topic of the video is an update. We see already what I'm on, and that's the topic, fish. I've been doing these things, and then we got a cyclic problem, whatever it was, and if we type ArcoLinux and then tap, this is new, right? I already fixed that. Now we can simply see. I do want to have some help maybe, guys. So I'm a noob myself in fish. I would like to go down with my arrow and then see the selection, the color where I am. I can only see at the top that I'm now on Alacrity, so is here. So I would like to have a color here, and then I would actually see where I'm at. So if anybody knows that, it would be great. But I did solve the tap thing. So now it's working, just one line in the, I don't know, 500 lines that we have, and fixed, right? It's always look for it. Anyway, so if you update your systems, then you'll see that there's a new package coming in, and it's called ArcoLinux-Fish Git. From 3 to 4, it's now not in your system, right? Copy fish, cb, copy fish, cb, copy bash, cz, copy zsh. So that's beside the general option of skel. This is just the file, one file, copy fish. And then I'm gonna execute fish, for example, and then you can start again and learn, test out if everything works. Now what changed? Config, make sure you have it already there if you're planning to learn about fish, right? Just have it around in here to the left, and then you can immediately go in here. So this one you will not have, but this one is the default. And then you go and have a look. What's possible and how many lines do we have? We have 500 lines in bash RC, in ZSH, and in fish. The color code is a little bit different, and I followed the suggestion, and you can make suggestions on Discord, that to have it all the same, so equals and then double quote and end with a double quote. So everything has been changed to that particular way of expressing or writing the code as aliases. And if you're ready, right, if you say, okay, I want to learn about fish, there are things to be said about fish that's really is interesting. One of the things that might be, well, will be interesting for me in the future days and weeks and months probably, is that when you have a GitHub, like ArcoLinux Nemesis, when you have a GitHub, I can say open terminal and then git something, and this is what it gives, right? Git ahead, git find, git g. But when I press a space and then a tab, it shows me all the technical stuff that I can do with it. Let's do that again with a big screen so we can see all of it, right? I can git apply, git archive, git blame, git clean, git commit. Some of these things, git init, we recognize. Others we've never played around with. So git log, what can we do with git log? Okay, bro, what about an enter? Okay, fine. So you get to know more of the code, basically. That's why it looks like it's interesting. And I need to go back. Yeah, Q, right? Q and A, it's a QWERTY keyboard here. So that's one thing. So the other thing was that I was a bit frustrated, getting frustrated. This thing, right? So the auto tap is actually working now because of one line in these 500 lines. It didn't work, and like I said, it would be great if I could color it to see where I'm at, because this is not right, it's just not the full 100%, and I like everything to be super perfect. as usual, we ask you to read the awesome configuration, to read the i3 configuration, to read the fish configuration, and see what's possible. So many things you can actually do. Control-T, move to the side, and this is what I would do. Go over the list, right? And some of these things make sense, and other things, well, that will make sense in the future. Simple as that. But take a look at all the aliases that we have, and we have seen already the NB, the NZ, NF. No, we didn't see it. It's just a copy that we did. We didn't do the NB. So this is your bash, and as you see, it's colorful, right? It's beautiful. It's colorful. It's different. It's fish. Voila. If you wanna dive into it together with me, because again, these things can be improved, and if you are much further in your learning curve in fish, you can give us some hints. Add this, do that. Great. That's what Discord is for. Come and tell us how to improve the code. There are also commands in there for snapper aliases or for left WM aliases, and the general ArcoLinux tweak tools, all our tools. Also some fun, right? ATM, if it's installed. Not sure if I did it here. So wow, it's definitely installed. Control-T. So it's you have to make it full screen, and then it will make more sense. Each time there's something different. Some fun things, right? So go and have a look. If fish is your thing, great. If not, there's bash, there's ZSH. Choose whatever you want to be greeted with. In this case, it's you fetch Arco. Maybe this as last tip, right? Put it in colors. Not gonna help. Ooh, that's not gonna help. Right, you see all the data here. I did set to the good language. Pascal is not gonna help either. That's a bummer. Lua, well, no, we do see where the comments are now. So all the hashtags are now red, so we know that's not going to be used. But for fish, we need to find something else. Not Perl, for sure. That's something we can figure out later on. CSS, whatever is working, right? It should be, when it's a comment, it should be gray, and all the rest should be colors. Simple as that. But which choice? That's something I'll check out for later. All right, enjoy fish, enjoy the new, well, if you want our fish, that's important, of course. Sudo Pacman -s fish is just the application, but there is of course the ArcoLinux and then fish. And you see we can actually use our auto-completion. I'm happy. Now the color there in the selection, that would be great. All right guys, have fun with fish. Cheers.